Good morning. So we are done question number one. And in question number one, I gave you small homework, all of you.
Yes,
Number
sir.
1.C for advanced tax schedule. That was the homework.
Yes.
Okay. But one thing I gave you in the yesterday's question was how much is payable in this case? Advanced tax payable was how much?
64040.
Yeah, 64,040.
So first is 606. No, 9606.
So I asked you for installment amount. First installment amount is 9606.
Yes.
Second installment is
19212.
19212.
Yes.
Third installment is same
19212.
19212. And fourth installment is 16,010. Is it right?
010. Yes.
If you take total of this will come to 64,040. What went wrong? Pay attention. Give me on a calculator. 15% of this should be exactly this.
Yes.
Pushkar. Now 64,000 at the rate of what? 45% is how much? Give me. 64,040 into 0.45 is 28,818. है ना? All of you. From that, minus 9606. Can you all hear me? Tell me quickly.
Yes, sir.
19212. Then again 64,000 what? At the rate of 75%. Do that 64,404. 64,040, sorry. Into 0.75 is 4830.
Yes.
From that, reduce the earlier one paid minus 28,818, 19,212 again. And at the rate of 100% is 6440. From that minus earlier paid total 4830. So 64,040 minus 4830 is 16,010. All of you, I hope this was quite easy. Pushkar, what happened? Are you strictly understood?
सर मैंने वो 28,000 पे कैलकुलेट किया.
मैं वही सोचू. I mean 15% is more than 10%.
हाँ.
64,000. Your answer was less than 6,000. So I was surprised. And payable advance tax entirely tax liability payable is 64,000. No.
Yes. Yes.
Done everybody?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go ahead. Question number 2. Ready? If anybody wants, you can call up video also. If she's not there, no?
सर वो नहीं करने वाली ज्वाइन.
बोला है क्या?
सर वो जीएसटी का मैराथन में शायद कुछ तो भी.
ठीक है.
तो बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेंगे बोल.
Question 2. Mr. A earns income of 30 lakhs. Calculate advance tax installments for year 21-22. Will your answer change if the new income estimates on 15 December works out to be 55 lakhs that we will see later on? First simple point is income is 30 lakhs. Give me advance tax installments. Can you try this? Are you understanding or no?
Yes.
Taxable income is 30 lakhs. We want advance tax installments. Then first thing what you'll have to do is
Tax liability.
very good. So write down case 1. And the star mark this question, it is little different, not very difficult, but just different. It's quite interesting. Case 1. What is the case 1? Income is how much throughout the year?
30 lakhs.
Yeah. Throughout the year means no change in income.
NTI है ना सर?
Yeah. Taxable income is 30 lakhs. Therefore, tax on above, that is tax liability. On 20 lakhs, 30% is 6 lakhs, right? And earlier one, 12,500, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 12,500 plus 6 lakhs is 7,000, 7 lakh, 12,500.
Yes.
All of you, basic tax. Add what?
Health and education says
712,500 into 0.04 is 28,500 plus equal to 741. All of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Will advance tax be applicable first of all? Obviously, yes, this amount is more than.
Yes. 10,000.
Yes, advance tax was applicable. Sure. So if you want, you can do as per regular method or just quickly give me answers. Advance tax installments. Try this, chalo, all of you. Just write a due date at least. First one due date is what? 15
15
June 2020, for example, in our current year. So I'm just writing here rupees or installment amount. Okay. 741 into, tell me, 0.15. 1,11,150.
Yes.
Second installment, pay attention, is what? 15th September 2020. Yes. So 741, tell me, into 0.45, that is 45%. Minus what is already paid, 1,11,150. Comes to 222,300.
Yes.
It also comes same for third one, but I will again tell you the calculation. 15th what? December 2020. 7,41,000 into 0.75, that is 75%.
Yes.
No, I minus both of it, whatever is paid, 1,11,150 minus 7,41,000 into 0.75 minus both of it, 1,11,150 minus 2,22,300 comes to same figure, 222,300. Yes.
Yes.
And fourth one is 15th March 21. 741 minus all these three figures. है ना? So 7,41,000 minus 1,11,150 minus 222,300 minus 222,300 comes to 185,250. All of you?
Yes.
Madhuri, Samjha, Ayush, Trupti. Total
Yes,
obviously has
sir.
to be 7,41,000. Yes? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is quite important. Okay, pay attention. Case 2. Please pay attention. What is the case? Understand that first. Everybody? Will your answer change if new income estimate on 15th December works out to 55 lakh rupees? First of all, what is the meaning of this? What is the taxable income for the year? 30 lakhs or 55 lakhs?
55.
55 lakhs for the year. But when did you understand you were earning 55 lakhs for the year?
15 December.
Third
15 December.
installment.
That means before 15th December, how much was your income estimate?
30.
This
30.
everyone should understand. If not, ask me still what is happening. 30 lakhs is the initial starting estimate. But after some details came out on picture, whatever it is, some details came out, then it was understood that total income for the year is not 30 lakhs, but it is 55 lakhs. But this was realized when? 15th December. This is an important concept now. Pay attention. Okay. This was realized on 15th December means advance tax installment number 1 and 2, that is June and September, was calculated and paid on which basis? 30 lakhs or 55 lakhs?
30.
So till 15 September, it was calculated based on 30 lakhs, no?
That's
And
what I'm asking. That is my question to you.
Yes. 30.
yes, 30 lakhs.
First two installment, June and September, were calculated and paid on which basis? What was the income that time known?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Understood? You are not doing astrology. We cannot estimate in June and September how much was our income. So we understood in December, but that income is not 30 but 55 lakhs. That means, now pay attention. In third installment, that is on 15 December. What is the income? Taxable income?
55 lakhs.
55 lakhs. So will you pay or not on third installment as per 55 lakhs?
Yes.
Yes.
And also obviously fourth installment as per 55 lakhs.
Yes.
Now tell me, use common sense. Will my third installment, December installment, will be quite high or not?
Yes.
Because I have to cover how much? 75%
Percent.
of the tax liability. All of you understood or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here, right now, are we calculating 234C? Are we calculating that? 234C?
No.
No. Okay, don't worry about 234C right now. We're just doing advanced tax instrument. Did you understand? So can I say, pay attention, can I say my tax liability for first two installments will not change?
Yes.
In case number 2, for first two installment, June and September, my income is still 30 lakhs. Hai na? So my tax liability is still the same for first two installment. So first two installments figure will be same. What will change? Installment
Third
3 and 4. Clear all of you? Yeah? Clear or not? Pakka? अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Page number 2. Very good. Okay. Revised income is rupees 55 lakhs as on 15th December 2020. Revised income is rupees 55 lakhs as on 15th December 2020. That is advance tax. Installment 1 and 2 were paid on income estimate of rupees. Kitna? How much? 30 lakhs. Right, all of you? Clear? Therefore, very important now. Advance tax installments already paid. Which one in bracket? 1 and 2. Right? Will it change or not change?
not change.
We cannot change. You cannot go back in time. No? In December, it is already paid, na? June and September. And you understood new income in December. So now no changes. So 1 and 2 you cannot change. But you'll have to rectify the situation for 3 and 4. So advance tax installments already paid 1 and 2 cannot change or will not, obviously cannot be changed. Right? Cannot be changed.
Sir, can we try?
This is first question. Try on your own. But okay, you follow your no problem. But just first you'll require tax liability on 55 lakhs. Just give me that. Then no issues.
Sir, tax liability for 55 lakhs is 1462,500, no?
Sir, marginal relief भी calculate करना पड़ेगा इसमें.
55 lakhs पे नहीं आएगा.
Surcharge.
55 lakhs you will not get. Anurag, correct. What went wrong? I think you gave me only basic tax, I think. Pushkar.
Yes. Basic tax only. I did not add that health and education.
You'll have to, no? You'll have to. Because you want total tax liability.
Yes.
So even surcharge will be applicable.
Yes. 55 lakhs. So 45 lakhs into 0.3, 13,50,000 plus 1,12,500 is 1462,500. Anurag has given also it's the installment 923. Yeah. 1462,500. बहुत तेज बन रहे हो.
Yes.
Add surcharge now or add first? Says first.
Surcharge, no?
At the rate of 10%.
10%.
So 1,46,250. Add them up. So plus 10%. 16,850. Yes. And on that, obviously, we add what? Health and education cess of 4%. Into 0.04, 64,350 and plus equal to 64,350 and plus equal to will give you the tax liability 1673,100. Right, all of you? So I hope you are understanding. The tax liability given earlier was how much? 7,41,000. But now for the year it is 1673. The rectification will happen from installment number 3 and 4. Okay. You can try on your own, or I'm just writing it.
So for this liability, installments will be only 2, right? Third and
Yeah.
fourth.
See, advance taxes is for the entire year and there will be 4 installments. What are the amounts of those 4 installments? I'm giving that. First 2 are exactly same.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
So we cannot say there are only 2 installments for this liability. Installments are all 4. First 2 are based on earlier estimate and last 2 are based on new estimate. First one is 15th June. That amount was still whatever is done. I'm writing it as it is 111,150, right? Pushkar, correct. Second is also the same, 15th September 2020, still the same, 222,300. Now is the important point. Third one, 15 December 2020. Now important, please pay attention how this will work. You should know that our revised income and revised liability right now is on 1673,100. Of that, how much should we pay by 15th December?
75%.
Very good. So simple. 1673,100 into 75% comes to
12,54,825.
120, 1254,825. है ना? All of you.
Yes.
1254,825. Out of that, how much have we paid?
3,33,450.
Minus 1,11,150 and minus 2,22,300. Did you all understand what is happening here?
Yes.
Pakka, na? $921,375 is your amount. Installment number 3. Installment number 4 is nothing but balancing figure, always simple, no? 15th March 21. I'm just writing what now? My liability is how much? 1673,100. Whatever is paid till now. 111. 150. 222. 300. Also minus 921. 375. Comes to how much?
418275.
Very good. 4,18,000. 275. 1673. Done. All of you. Yes, everybody got it. Those are your 4 installment amounts. Okay, 111,150, 222,300, 921,375, and 418,275. Yes. है ना? हुआ यहाँ तक? डन लिया? Alright, so third one. B earns the following incomes. Calculate advance tax installments for AY 21-22. Income from salary 8 lakhs. TDS done on that is 1 lakh. Rent from commercial property gross 650. Whatever it is. TDS at the rate of 10%. Municipal taxes paid is 15,000. Interest on savings account 15,000. Interest on fixed deposit by bank 25,000. TDS is done at 10%. All these figures are gross figures, huh? Gross. Deposit in PPF account is what? Income or expenditure?
Expense 83.
And donation to charitable trust paid in cash 2,500. Give me
82.
taxable income first of all. They were asked to advance tax installment. For that we require tax liability, and for tax liability require taxable income. So computation of taxable income of Mr. B. Chalo. Particulars rupees. Salary is gross salary. Again, I am repeating. It is not computed salary. Try this. All of you, I'm giving a chance. Give me taxable income. Okay. Try. All right. Let's go ahead. I hope you tried on your own and you got answer, but check. I'm going income from salary. Yes, it was gross salary 8 lakh. That's what I was telling you. So less what? Standard deduction under section 16, 1A up to rupees 50,000. TDS is done. So TDS will see in tax liability. It is TDS, no? Income, you always in the competition, we show gross income only. So taxable salary is how much? 7 lakh.
Sir, in exam also we have to take it as like we need to give deduction.
Sorry.
In exam also.
They will tell you computed or not computed. Then if it is not given, then write a note. Simple assumption. Okay.
Okay.
Rent from commercial property. Which head of income?
HP.
Yeah. This is rent received. Okay. We don't have any other figure. Receivable, standard deduction, municipal valuation, all of that. So rent received is how much? Tell me. Gross, na? 6 lakh 50. What will you do from here?
Less municipal tax paid.
Very good. Municipal taxes paid. 15,000. Yeah, so what did you get? 6 lakh 35 is what? Our
NAV.
very good. Less what? 24A and 24B, na?
Yes.
Standard deduction at the rate of
30.
30% comes to how much? One lakh 9,500. We don't have interest on given to us. So that is our income from house property. How much? 4 lakh
44,500.
444,500. Now, third head of income from other sources, and we have what? Two incomes in that. Savings account interest and FD interest, right, everybody? Savings account interest and FD interest. Obviously, always show gross 15,000 and 25,000. This is what? 40. Right, all of you? iOS is 40. Give me GTI.
So that 3,500 is for
Post savings only.
okay.
Post office bank account, savings account. Post office. So I'm writing in short. GTI is how much? 12,34,500. Check. $12,34,500. All of you agree?
Yes.
Less what? Chapter 6A, deductions. I hope you're understanding. We are reaching the concept of total income now. I mean, all the stories are given together. That is total income. Chapter number 15. Okay. Do you have section 80C?
Yes.
PPF contribution. 1,50,000. Is anything else falling in 80C? No. So I'll directly take this in outer column. Yes or no? 80G is allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed.
Because paid in
Why?
cash.
Yes.
So which remains?
Only up to 2000 allowed.
Not allowed at all. But we discussed this point. Even if cash is paid more than 2,000 or 10,000 in some cases, whatever it is, entire amount is disallowed.
Yes.
Not
sir.
allowed. Okay. And one point always remains. So always star mark.
TDA.
Which one?
TDA.
Ah. How much is earned? 15,000. So up to rupees 10,000 allowed.
Yes.
That is it. Done. Tell me. Where all you made mistakes? Tell me.
ATG.
ETG you took 2,000. Okay. Anybody else? 881. I mean, you got first of all 3 lakh. That was something different only. 881.
वो
आया।
शायद 5 लाख कर दिया
हाँ.
50,000 का शायद मैंने 50,000 का 5 लाख डिडक्ट कर दिया
Okay. This 1074 800 is it right?
Yes.
1071. Sorry, 500. Okay. All of you got same figures. Now tell me. Anybody any other mistakes? What all you had done? Tell me quickly.
So that's salary ka deduction.
Only 50,000. That was the only difference.
And for FD I mistook it as post office savings and gave
3,500 you
3,500
took extra.
deduction. Yeah.
ठीक है. इसका municipal taxes he forgot. Okay, ठीक है. No problem. Tax liability calculation. So basic tax on about 10 lakhs, 30%. So 74,300, 74,500 into 0.3 M plus 1,12,500 M plus MRC 134,850.
Yes.
Add what health and education says only at the rate of 4%. So into 0.04, 5394. So plus equal to 142,444. We will round up. B 1,40,240. Will we calculate tax advance tax liability on this figure?
Yes.
No. This is my tax liability. This is not my tax payable.
TDS minus.
TDS credits. I will just put directly total figures. Okay. Ideally, you should write income from salary TDS, this TDS, that TDS, and all of that. Okay. 1 lakh on what salary given to us. Then 10% of 65 lakhs. So 6,50,000. Sorry. So 65,000. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Plus 2,500. है ना? Done.
Yes.
So 1,67,500. Is it right?
Yes. Refund मिलेगा.
Very good. That's why I'll tell you always. Write down tax payable oblique in bracket. Refund है ये refund है ना? TDS NAVP आएगा. No.
Rent paid.
The deductor doesn't know what is NAV, etc. Whatever he pays on that TDS is done. Gross figure. So this is how much? Tell me.
27,260.
27,260. Refunded this. Okay. Advance as payable.
No.
Since tax payable, right? Since tax payable doesn't exceed how much? There is in fact tax return, but still refunded this. Doesn't exceed how much rupees? 10,000. है ना? Payable. Right, all of you? Done or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Ready? Anybody any doubt, please ask. Huh? Let's go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. PA Consulting Limited company. Okay. Total income during the year 2021 is 10,50,000. This company, don't forget. Tax credit at source by different payers amounted to 34,450. So basically your TDS credit is 34,450. I hope you remember this is at the rate of what? You can take 30%
30.
and plus 4%. Says. During the year, company paid advance tax so and so 15 June 20, September 20, December 20, and March 21. These are cumulative or installment figures?
Cumulative.
They're increasing, decreasing. Say 15 March.
Installment.
These are installment figures. Advance tax paid on those dates. Okay. Okay. And check 15 June, 12 September, 15 December, 15th March. These dates are important or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If, pay attention, if I'm saying, if by mistake, this was 16th December, what will you say then?
Interest.
Not paid by third installment. You will consider that paid
Okay.
as part of fourth installment. Understood? Interest will be applicable, that is different. But even if you delay by 1 day, then it is not counted, okay, in that particular installment. Understood or no?
No, sir.
Well, you pay on 16th December instead of 15th. You paid on 16th. It will be counted as paid on or before 15th March.
15 March.
Understood or no? So that date is also very important, okay? Next. What are they asking? The company filed its return of income for AY 21-22 and self-assessment tax, something extra still remaining, was paid on 15th October 21 next year, okay? Self-assessment tax is paid later on. Compute interest, if any, payable by the company under the sections 234A, B, and C. Assume tax rate that's given to us is 30% plus health and education cess, whatever is the rate. So it is given to us 30%, we have to assume. How much it comes to the tax liability? 10,50,000 into 0.3, 3,15,000 plus 4%, 327,600. Yes, everybody.
Yes.
Out of that, how much is paid? Only 40,000 minus 65,000 minus 1,25,000. 97,600 is still payable. You understanding what is happening? No? So write down. This is the actual amounts paid, no? Okay.
Yes.
Computation of tax liability. Of PA Consulting Limited, whatever it is. For AY 2022. Particulars rupees. Taxable income 10,50,000, है ना? Tax on above is at the rate of what? 30%. Okay, don't go for slab rates. 10,15,000 into 0.3 is 315. All of you, right? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Add what? Health and education says 4%. So into 0.04, 12,600. Add them up. 327,600. Yes, everybody. Is there a TDS credit?
Yes.
I forgot that. So minus what?
34,450.
This is my tax balance or payable right now. Out of that, advance tax also has been paid, but right now, after tax credit. $293,150. है ना? All of you? 293,150. And after that, less what? Advance tax. Hello, all of you, you there?
Already paid.
See now, after tax credit, my tax liability is 293,150. So advance tax was applicable. है ना? Advance tax was applicable. So less advance tax paid. How much it is? 40,000 plus 65,000 plus 1 lakh and plus 25,000. Yes?
Yes.
105, 205,
230.
2,30,000 is paid, na?
Yes.
63,150 is it?
Yes.
Now 63,150. Now see. Have you written till here all of? Written till here?
Yes.
This means what? Even after TDS credit. TDS happens during the year. Agreed? Even after TDS credit, even after paying advance taxes during the year, tax amount still to be paid is 63,150. Okay? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now they still have to pay 63,150. When will they pay this? And the tax will be known as what?
Self-assessed.
And they have given also that they have paid this amount when?
15th October
Next year. Next year means
2021.
after the year. Yes, all of you? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Everybody? We will change the date a little bit. We will make this 15th November. November. But paid later on basically. Yes?
Yes.
Now you tell me, since as it is 100% is not covered, whether 234C will be applicable. For that, what you have to check? Which
Dude.
amounts 15% you will check for 40,000? Tell me this. Come on. Which amounts 15% you will check? It was paid or not paid?
293,150.
Yes, 293,150. Okay. Into 15% comes to 43,972.5. Correct?
Yes.
All of you? Paid is how much? 40,000.
Yes.
Whether 234C will directly come over here?
Yes.
No.
No.
Okay.
234C comes when advance tax paid is, there are two steps. Step number 1 is what? Advance tax paid is less than
90%.
90%.
still in 234C, not 234B.
12%.
Less than 15. 12%.
12.
हाँ.
Very good, Ayush. Now 293,150 into 12%. 35,170.
Yes.
More than that.
Yes.
So 224C will not come for first installment. Right?
Yes.
So, okay. Then second installment percentage is how much? For
45.
234C,
36.
36. So
36.
293,150 into 36% is 1,05,534. Okay. 1,05,534. Paid how much is, paid is how much total? Total
1,05,000.
1,05,000. 40,000 plus 65,000. Understood or no?
This time it will be applicable.
Sorry, yeah. Now 234C will be applicable. Okay. We'll write down this. We'll do this. I was
Yes.
just explaining you what all can come into picture. Okay. Done. Are hi, Anna.
Yes.
Sir.
Write down one important thing now. Very, 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 very important. For calculation of interest, okay. Amount is rounded back. See, this rounding off, round up, round down. Okay, so round down or round back means go back. Okay, is rounded back to rupees 100. That is 63,150 will become how much?
63.
To the multiple of 100. How much?
63,100.
Yeah. To the earliest 100 rupees. Okay. So now on this we will calculate our interests. Yeah. Everybody. And like I said, we have made changes for tax paid. Okay. The company filed its income tax return and asset tax both in on 15th November 20. Chalega?
Yes, sir.
When does 234A come into picture?
Paid after the due
Income.
date.
Correct. Paid after the due date of income tax return of one income tax return. Okay. Now you're the different. I mean, like I said again, the next chapter is not yet over. Next chapter, 14, income tax return. But this is a company. This much is okay. This is a company. The assessee in our question is company. And company's income tax return due date now is October. 31st October. Right, everybody? Are you all following or no?
Yes.
31st October. Now the tax was paid when? 15th November. Is it paid after 31st October?
Yes.
Yes.
How many months after 31st October?
1.
One part of the month will be considered as entire month. Do you understand?
Yes.
So due date was 31st October. Even if they pay on 1st November, entire month interest is applicable. Entire 1 month. Yes or no? Hmm? Rehayana.
हाँ.
So write down. For company, date of filing of income tax return, that is return of income, okay, under section 139. is 31st October 2021. Right? For our current year. Na? And actual filing date is what? 15th November 21. That is number of months. Delay is how much?
1.
1 month. In bracket I'm just writing. Part of the month is also considered as a month. Okay. Part of the month is considered as full month. Done till here, all of you? So there is a delay of 1 month. Delay of 1 month. Clear? What is the rate of interest? 1%. Are you all following or not?
Yes.
Yes. 1%
Now, can you
per
tell me
month.
how much was the amount pending to be paid?
6,300.
6,300, 150. Correct. I mean the total amount to be paid. Interest will calculate on obviously 63,100. Yes. Liability to be paid is 63,150. Interest will be calculated on 63,100. Understood or no?
So
Yes.
we won't be calculating on that installment amount paid and that 45%.
We are right now not doing 234C. We are doing 234.
A.
Okay.
When does 234A start? After income tax return due date. Income tax return due date right now is what? 31st October. So after that, when it was paid? November.
Yes.
So there is 1 month delay.
Yes.
My point is that if at all you would have paid even by 31st October, 234A will not have would have come into picture
Yes.
because you crossed 31st October because you cost 139 due date. Now when you are paying till that time, we will calculate 234A. So you paid in the next month, so 1 month delay, so 1 month's interest. All of you got it? Again, I'm repeating 234A during the financial year, previous year. 234B after the financial year till the income tax return due date. And after income tax return due date, 234A. Got it? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
आपने कुछ उल्टा बोला शायद.
234C during the financial year.
हाँ, yes, I do.
After the financial year till income tax return due date, 234B. And after income tax return due date, 234.
A.
Okay?
Yes.
सही था? It was right?
हाँ.
Chalo. So right. Yes. Under section 234A at the rate of 1%. Okay. For 1 month. है ना? This 1% is per month rate. So on what figure we will calculate? 63,100. Remember? Into 1% into 1 month. Show this calculation. 631 is it?
Yes.
पक्का ना? Second. Are you all done till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Into under section 234B. When does it come into picture? Go back in your notes and check.
From first April
R.
to
When
First
or
day.
why it comes into picture.
Till ROI.
Okay.
not paid even
If
even
90%
after
of installment add-ons tax
कितना
नहीं
कितना?
होता.
90%.
Total advance tax paid is less than 90% of tax liability or taxable tax paid. If it is less than that, 234B will come into picture. Understood?
Yes.
Did you understand something or no?
हाँ.
10% margin of error is allowed for the financial year entirely. Okay. If we pay 92%, 95%, then 234B will not come into picture. Okay. Got it, all of you? Sure. Tell me, advance tax payable is how much? Payable, huh?
293 150.
Yes, 293, 150. Very good. Right, everybody? And advance tax actually paid. That was
230.
230, na?
230.
230.
230.
So as a percentage, advance tax paid is how much? Tasla? नहीं करना कौन 2,30,000 upon 293 150 into 100 comes to how much?
78.
70 something
450.
78.46% something. Huh? All of you got it or no? You can do it reverse way also. 293 150 into 90%. See that figure and check the figure actually paid if it is less or more. Okay. Hi, Anna. Which is less than 90%. Hi, Anna. Everybody. All of you. Done? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So interest under section 234B will be applicable. है ना? From what? 1/4, tell me. 2021, no? 21. Two. It is ITR duty or ITR filed? 34B.
Five.
Filed, na?
हाँ.
Up to the date of determination of. Just a minute, hold on. You go ahead. So 234B will be what? Applicable from 1/4/21 to date of payment. है ना? All of you? Correct. Date of payment. Now that is what date given to us in the question. 15 November we taken, no? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is how many months? Part of the month is entire month. So April to November. Okay. Considering November, obviously, April to November is what? 8 months? September. That is 8 months. All of you?
Yes.
Right, no?
Yes.
So on what figure? Again, the shortfall. है ना? What is our shortfall? 63,100, no? 63,100. 63,100 into 1% per month into 8 months comes to 631 into 8.
5048.
5048, correct. And interesting. point. I think we will be able to cover only one question today. Case number 3. Which one?
234C.
Yes. To the depot. There are 2 steps. Pay attention. Step 1 is what? Remember or no? Applicability.
Yes.
Check applicability. Installment number or date. Prescribed percentage, हाँ बच्चों. PRSC or prescribed percentage for applicability of 234C. Okay. Actual tax paid. We will say applicable or no. First one, installment number 1. Was percentage is how much?
12.
12% off. Total tax liability. Payable. 293 something now.
Yes.
After
yes.
TDS. After TDS.
293,
150.
150.
All of you got it or no?
35, 178.
35, 178. Very good. Paid is 40,000. 234C will come for first calculation.
No.
Very good. Second, 36% of 293, 150 comes to
1,05,534.
and actually paid is 40,000 plus 65,000. That is 105. Tell me, applicable or no now?
Applicable.
Because paid is little bit less than required. Third is 75. So obviously you will see it will be applicable. 293, 150. There is a shortfall, no? Good shortfall. 75% is how much of 293, 150? Tell me.
2,19,863.
And paid is now, I'm writing here 1,05,000. Okay. I hope you're understanding this cumulative I'm showing. Plus paid is what? 1 lakh separately. So 2,05,000. Shortfall or no?
Yes.
I hope you understood 2,05,000 means what? Total of 3 figures. And fourth one is obviously 100% of 293, 100. 293, 150, sorry. And paid is what? 2,05,000
2 lakh.
plus 25,000. 230. Shortfall, yes. So 234C will be applicable for 3 categories, not for all 4. 3%, 3% and
1.
remember or no?
Yes.
Very good. So in that now step number 2, calculation of actual 234C. Boring, tiring and lengthy. है ना? Case तो नहीं sorry.
सर ये तीनों एक में आएगा ऐसा सम आएगा क्या एग्जाम में?
नहीं. The rarest of rare also will not happen. 234C can come because C is a lengthy calculation. B is very simple. Step 2, interest calculation. 234C, interest calculation. Now we'll do for installment number. Installment number 1, no.
No.
Installment number 2.
2.
That is what it was. That up to 15th September wala due date. It's 12th September. Now you tell me what minus what.
1,55,34 minus 1,05,000.
1,05,534
हाँ.
minus 1,05,000.
हाँ.
1,05,000.
I'll tell you. Required to be paid is 45%. 36% is only margin of error. Now, since even you are going beyond margin of error, you have to check from 45%. Understood or no?
Yes.
Minus what is paid, 1,05,000. Did you understand?
Hmm.
This is very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So difference is how much? 26,900 is it?
Yes. 26,918.
269. Sorry, 26,918. Take it if you want. Round figure.
Hmm.
Into how much percentage?
1.
For how many months?
3 months. 3 months.
हाँ एक मिनट. Interest is calculated rounded off बोल रहा है ना वो.
260. 26,900.
हाँ 26,900 into 1% per. ऊपर किया क्या अपन ने ऐसा कुछ? Yes, we did, no?
ऊपर वो 100 ही था ना.
हाँ. But we took that figure, 16.
Hmm.
29 into 1% per month into what? 3 months.
Nice.
So how much? 807.
Yes.
That is for instrument number 2.
Hmm.
Instrument number 3. Instrument number 3 shouldn't be any problem because it is 75%, 75%, no?
Yes.
Right, all of you? So I'll just write down chalo, that also write down. 293, 150 into 75%. Minus actually paid is what? 2,05,000. Is it right, all of you?
14,863.
How much?
14,863.
863.
3.
So we'll do what? 14,860 into फिर से 1% per month into what again?
800 ना sir.
Sorry. 3 months. Yeah, 800. Rounded off to nearest 0, 100. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nearest means back 100. Sorry. So 14,800 into 3% is also okay. 444.
444.
444. And instrument number 4. It's 2,30,000, no? है ना?
Hmm.
Total paid.
Yes.
63,150, but we round off to 6,300 into just 1% per month into 1 month, which come to 631. Is it right, all of you?
Yes.
Now we come to the important point. Total SA tax with interest to be paid. Tell me. 63,150 is our original tax liability payable. Don't forget. Okay. I'm writing here SA tax plus 234A is how much?
631.
631
Wow.
plus 234B is how much? 5
048.
5048 and 234C will be 3 figures, no? 807 plus 444 plus 631. See, all these things are ready-made available on calculators or softwares you are going to use later. But you should be aware how these are calculated. That is it. That is the only intention. Tell me. 70,000 something?
70,711.
70,711.
Yeah.
Payable, this is also rounded off. Okay. Our like to 88B. 70,710. See. Okay. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
All every time payable, etc. Whatever the balance is, it is as per 288B. Done till here?
Yes, sir.
Next time I'll put your next special question. Okay. We'll wind up for today here. Everybody, because next ones are lengthy questions. For your homework, pay attention. For your homework. Read. Please pay attention. This point. Okay. After the 234C points, along with proviso to 234C. Read and come by default. Okay. Don't forget. Right? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chalega?
sir.
Done till here?
Yes, sir.